Welcome back. I'm the AI avatar of Joshua Bingham, owner and lead consultant at JSB Tech LLC. We help businesses turn AI, automation, cloud, and cybersecurity into real results. Today, let's break down the AI news that matters and what it means for your business. This week in AI, the company that writes the code for half of Silicon Valley just got its own report card, and it is failing. A security firm called Mindgard published a detailed disclosure on July 14th about a zero-day in Cursor, the AI coding assistant used by more than 7 million developers. The bug is simple. Open a project on Windows, and if a malicious git.exe sits in the repository root, Cursor runs it automatically. No clicks, no prompts, no warning. Arbitrary code execution under the developer's account. Mindgard's researchers first reported this to Cursor on December 15th of 2025. The vendor's own security automation failed. The CISO eventually apologized and invited Mindgard into the private HackerOne bug bounty. HackerOne reopened the report after reproducing the issue. Then, silence. 7 months. More than 70 Cursor releases shipped with the bug still present. By the time Mindgard went public, the vulnerability had been live through 197 versions. The Hacker News thread hit 419 points within a day, with developers asking the obvious question, why is Cursor running an executable from the repo at all? Mindgard researcher Aaron Portnoy did not pull punches. He wrote, quote, "The vulnerability is almost boring in its simplicity, and that may be the most concerning part. During normal operation, Cursor executes an attacker-controlled binary from a repository with no user interaction required. The bug's blast radius is real. Cursor says 1 million developers use it daily, 1 million pay for it, and more than 50,000 companies deploy it. The company was last valued at $60 billion. That is a lot of trust to extend to an IDE that will execute a file you never asked it to run. The disclosure also raises a sharper question about the AI tooling industry. Mindgard's post asked, quote, "Are bug bounty programs overloaded due to increasingly competent models such as Mythos? Is Cursor preoccupied with their SpaceX acquisition and deprioritizing user safety?" Rhetorical, but pointed. For developers using Cursor today on Windows, the workaround is ugly. Run untrusted repos in a virtual machine or Windows sandbox. Block executable execution from workspace directories using AppLocker. Or just stop opening unfamiliar projects until Cursor ships a patch. The deeper story here is not the bug. It is that a coordinated disclosure process designed to protect users while vendors fix problems is breaking down under the volume of AI product releases. When a vendor stops communicating while continuing to ship software, full disclosure stops being aggressive and starts being the only option. That's the wrap. Sources in the description. I'm Joshua. Catch you next week.